Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Turtle Beach Style 600 not connecting. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow verify headset power and battery. For this purpose, you have to press and hold the power button until the LED indicator lights up. If the headset doesn't turn on, connect it to a charger and allow it to charge fully before attempting to connect. Confirm wireless mode. Switch to Xbox mode by following the user manual instructions. Use the USB mode. Check the LED indicator to confirm the active mode. Repair the headset. For this purpose, you have to press and hold the pairing button on the headset until the LED flashes rapidly, indicating pairing mode. On your PC, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and select the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 from the list. Update firmware. Download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC. Connect the headset to the PC via USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to check for and install firmware updates. Reset the headset. Press and hold the power button and mode button simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. Release the buttons and power the headset back on to test the connection. Test on another device. Connect the headset to another device such as different console, PC or mobile phone. Test the connection to rule out device-specific issues. Inspect connections. For this purpose, you have to ensure the USB transmitter is securely plugged into the console. If using a digital optical cable, confirm that it is properly connected to both the console and transmitter. Contact support. For this purpose, you have to visit Turtle Beach Sport website. Provide detailed information about the issue and steps you have tried. Inquire about warranty or repair options if necessary. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.